Question 1. Which physical quantity has the same dimensions as pressure? A. Energy density. B. Surface tension. C. Young's modulus. D. Stress. The correct answer is D. Stress. Question 2. The C unit of electric flux is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. A only. B only. C A and B D A, B and C. The correct answer is A only. Question 4. In simple harmonic motion, the maximum velocity is proportional to A. Amplitude. B. Square of amplitude. C. Inverse of amplitude. D. Frequency squared. The correct answer is A. Amplitude. Question 5. Which law explains why planets move in elliptical orbits? A. Newton's first law. B. Kepler's first law. C. Kepler's second law. D. Newton's law of gravitation. The correct answer is B. Kepler's first law. Question 6. The work done by centripetal force on a particle in circular motion is A. Positive. B. Negative. C. Zero. D. Maximum. The correct answer is C. Zero. Question 7. The dimensional formula of Planck's constant is A. ml superscript 2 T superscript 1. B. ml superscript 2 T superscript 2. C. ml superscript 2 T superscript 1 A superscript 1. D. mlt superscript 1. The correct answer is A. ml superscript 2 T superscript 1. Question 8. A body moving with uniform velocity has A. Zero acceleration. B. Constant acceleration. C. Increasing acceleration. D. Decreasing acceleration. The correct answer is A. Zero acceleration. Question 9. The escape velocity from Earth depends on A. Mass of the body. B. Radius of Earth. C. Mass of Earth. D. Both B and C. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. Question 10. The slope of a velocity time graph represents A. Velocity. B. Displacement. C. Acceleration. D. Momentum. The correct answer is C. Acceleration. Question 11. Which of the following is a non-conservative force? A. Gravitational force. B. Electrostatic force. C. Frictional force. D. Elastic force. The correct answer is C. Frictional force. Question 12. The time period of a simple pendulum on the Moon compared to Earth is A. Same. B. Less. C. More. D. Zero. The correct answer is C. More. Question 13. The angular momentum of a particle is conserved when A. No force acts. B. No torque acts. C. Velocity is constant. D. Mass is constant. The correct answer is B. No torque acts. Question 14. In SHM, the restoring force is proportional to A. Displacement. B. Velocity. C. Acceleration. D. Time. The correct answer is A. Displacement. Question 15. Which quantity remains constant in elastic collision? A. Momentum only. B. Kinetic energy only. C. Both momentum and kinetic energy. D. Neither. The correct answer is C. Both momentum and kinetic energy. Question 16. The unit of bulk modulus is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 17. Bernoulli's principle is based on conservation of A. Energy. B. Momentum. C. Mass. D. Charge. The correct answer is A. Energy. Question 18. The phenomenon of total internal reflection occurs when light travels from A. Denser to rarer medium. B. Rarer to denser medium. C. Vacuum to glass. D. Or air to water. The correct answer is A. Denser to rarer medium. Question 19. The refractive index of a medium is maximum when light speed in it is A. Maximum. B. Minimum. C. 0. D. Equal to C. The correct answer is B. Minimum. Question 20. Young's double slit experiment demonstrates A. Particle nature of light. B. Wave nature of light. C. Polarization. D. Refraction. The correct answer is B. Wave nature of light. Question 21. The focal length of a concave mirror is negative according to A. Sign convention. B. Lens maker's formula. C. Mirror equation. D. Magnification formula. The correct answer is A. Sign convention. Question 22. Which electromagnetic wave has the highest frequency? A. Microwaves. B. Infrared. C. Ultraviolet. D. Gamma rays. The correct answer is D. Gamma rays. Question 23. The force between two charges is doubled when the distance between them is A. Halved. B. Doubled. C. Tripled. D. Unchanged. The correct answer is A. Halved. Question 24. Gauss's law relates electric flux with A. Electric field. B. Electric potential. C. Charge enclosed. D. Permittivity. The correct answer is C. Charge enclosed. Question 25. The C unit of magnetic flux density is A. Weber, B. Tesla, C. Henry, D. Ampere. The correct answer is B. Tesla. Question 26. A moving charge produces A. Only electric field, B. Only magnetic field, C. Both electric and magnetic fields, D. No field. The correct answer is C. Both electric and magnetic fields. Question 27. Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction is based on A. Charge conservation, B. Energy conservation, C. Flux change, D. Lorentz force. The correct answer is C. Flux change. Question 28. The power factor in an AC circuit is given by A. Sin, B. Cos, C. Tan, D. COT. The correct answer is B. Cos. Question 29. In a purely inductive AC circuit, current A. Leads voltage, B. Lags voltage, C. Is in phase, D. Is zero. The correct answer is B. Lags voltage. Question 30. The RMS value of AC current is related to peak value by. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 31. The energy stored in a capacitor is proportional to. Consider the following expression. The correct answer is C. CV superscript 2. Question 32. Which semiconductor is used to make LEDs? A. Silicon, B. Germanium, C. Gallium arsenide, D. Carbon. The correct answer is C. Gallium arsenide. Question 33. The forbidden energy gap is maximum in A. Conductors, B. Semiconductors, C. Insulators, D. Superconductors. The correct answer is C. Insulators. Question 34. The output of a NOT gate is A. Same as input, B. Opposite of input, C. Always 0, D. Always 1. The correct answer is B. Opposite of input. Question 35. Which logic gate is called a universal gate? A. AND, B. OR, C. NAND, D. XOR. The correct answer is C. NAND. Question 36. The photoelectric effect supports A. Wave theory of light, B. Particle theory of light, C. Both theories, D. None. The correct answer is B. Particle theory of light. Question 37. The threshold frequency in photoelectric effect depends on A. Intensity, B. Frequency, C. Material, D. Distance. The correct answer is C. Material. Question 38. The Broglie wavelength of a particle is inversely proportional to A. Velocity, B. Momentum, C. Energy, D. Mass density. The correct answer is B. Momentum. Question 39. The uncertainty principle was proposed by A. Bohr, B. Planck, C. Heisenberg, D. Einstein. The correct answer is C. Heisenberg. Question 40. In Bohr's model, angular momentum of electron is A. Quantized, B. Continuous, C. Zero, D. Infinite. The correct answer is A. Quantized. Question 41. The binding energy of a nucleus is due to A. Gravitational force, B. Electrostatic force, C. Strong nuclear force, D. Weak force. The correct answer is C. Strong nuclear force. Question 42. Which particle has zero rest mass? A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Neutron, D. Photon. The correct answer is D. Photon. Question 43. The half-life of a radioactive substance depends on A. Temperature, B. Pressure, C. Amount of substance, D. Nature of substance. The correct answer is D. Nature of substance. Question 44. Nuclear fission is a process in which A. Light nuclei combine, B. Heavy nucleus splits, C. Electron is emitted, D. Photon is absorbed. The correct answer is B. Heavy nucleus splits. Question 45. In nuclear fusion, energy is released because A. Mass is conserved, B. Mass decreases, C. Charge increases, D. Neutrons decay. The correct answer is B. Mass decreases. Question 46. The critical angle for total internal reflection depends on A. Wavelength, B. Intensity, C. Refractive indices, D. Angle of incidence only. The correct answer is C. Refractive indices. Question 47. A transformer works on the principle of A. Electrostatics, B. Magnetic induction, C. Electromagnetic induction, D. Photoelectric effect. The correct answer is C. Electromagnetic induction. Question 48. The efficiency of an ideal transformer is A. Less than 1, B. Greater than 1, C. Equal to 1, D. 0. The correct answer is C equal to 1. Question 49. In LCR series circuit at resonance, impedance is A. Maximum, B. Minimum, C. 0, D. Infinite. The correct answer is B. Minimum. Question 50. The speed of light in vacuum is. Consider the following expression. Consider the following expression. Question 51. Which physical quantity is scalar? A. Velocity, B. Acceleration, C. Force, D. Energy. The correct answer is D. Energy. Question 52. The principle of superposition applies to A. Waves, B. Particles, C. Rigid bodies, D. Thermodynamics. The correct answer is A. Waves. Question 53. The Doppler effect is observed due to A. Change in amplitude, B. Change in wavelength, C. Change in frequency, D. Change in speed of wave. The correct answer is C. Change in frequency. Question 54. In an ideal gas, internal energy depends only on A. Pressure, B. Volume, C. Temperature, D. Density. The correct answer is C. Temperature.